Negative 1 squared is equal to, for us to answer this question, we have to make use of the following property. If we have a number A which belongs to the set of positive real numbers, that means A is positive, A squared simply means we have to take A times A as such. Now, if we have a negative sign in front of A squared, without the negative sign with the A being in bracket, this will simply be equal to, it simply means we have to take a negative 1 times A squared, like this. And this will simply be equal to negative 1 times A squared is simply A times A. So this is what it simply means. Of which, if we multiply this, this will give us negative 1 times A, gives us negative A times A. This is what it means. Now, going back to the given question, which we have negative 1 squared, this will simply be equal to applying this formula, what we have at this level. This will give us negative 1 times 1. Negative 1 times 1 is simply equal to, this will simply be equal to negative 1. We conclude, therefore, negative 1 squared is simply equal to negative 1. We underline the answer. But in a case where we have negative 1 in bracket, all this squared, it simply means we have to take a negative 1, we multiply it by itself, which is negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is simply equal to 1. You can see the negative 1 in brackets, all that squared, is different from negative 1 squared, which is not in brackets. So we take note of this. Negative 1 squared without the brackets is not equal to negative 1 in brackets, all this squared.